Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use cruise control on Nissan Leaf. Begin by locating the cruise stalk on the right side of the steering column and turn on the vehicle systems. Accelerate to your desired speed, press the SET button, and release the accelerator slowly while driving. Monitor regenerative braking and traffic. Use cancel or the brake to disengage, and press RES to resume the previous set speed when safe. This slide explains each control and symbol clearly so you can operate confidently. Use SET to save your current speed, RES to return to a saved speed after braking, and cancel to turn cruise off without erasing your set speed. Watch the dash icon to confirm cruise engagement and note changes when ECO or B mode alter throttle response. Always be ready to brake manually for sudden traffic or hazards ahead. Here are practical tips for safe and effective cruise control use in your Leaf. Do not use cruise in dense traffic, on icy roads, or where frequent speed changes occur. Set speeds slightly below the posted limit if conditions reduce traction, and remain alert to wind, slopes, and region braking effects. Keep hands lightly on the wheel, check mirrors regularly, and be prepared to take control instantly for unexpected obstacles or sudden slowdowns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.